Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is delude. It is pronounced delude, and it is spelt D-E-L-U-D-E. Think D and then elude. Delude means to deceive, fool, or impose a misleading belief upon someone. For example, you could say, I deluded myself into believing I was a great singer. Delude comes from the Latin deludere, meaning to play false, to mock, or to deceive. Can you think of a situation where someone might be deluded? How about when performing a magic trick or practical joke? In 2018, magician Justin Willman first performed his viral Invisible Man trick on his Netflix show Magic for Humans. The trick was simple. Using a lot of actors and a bit of sleight of hand, he convinced members of the public that he could make them invisible. Of course, they hadn't really disappeared. The magician had successfully deluded his audience. Give it a watch. Maybe even try the trick out on a family member. Delude is a verb and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, the hypnotist deluded the woman into thinking she was a chicken. Delude is defined in the dictionary as to make someone believe something that is not true. Delude synonyms include mislead, deceive, fool, take in, trick, dupe, hoodwink, double-cross, gull, beguile, lead on, cheat, defraud, swindle, con, and bamboozle. Antonyms include honesty and truthfulness. See if you can notice anyone being deluded today. Try performing a magic trick of your own and see if you can delude your parents. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.